What's going on, guys? Benny Charles, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading and investing community. Back with another video. This video, I just want to talk about NVIDIA. Listen, guys, I am a technical trader 100% all the way around. And I believe that the world stage sets up for the technicals. All right. Reason being is I believe that there are some big whales, there are some sharks who run this thing, and they like to make profit. They like to sell high and buy low. All right. NVIDIA has been shooting up, been in the news because of their 10-to-1 split, and now it's time for a pullback. All right. What I have here is the weekly chart, looking at the weekly dealing range, and I believe our dealing range here on the weekly chart is from $39.23 up to $140.76. The discount is at $90 for that range. Therefore, I believe that if this current dealing range stands, if it holds, that NVIDIA will get down to at least $90. All right. I know that's a big claim, what have you. I believe it would get down to $90. All right. If you take a look at the chart here, I have a weekly sell side liquidity target of 106.30. Okay. Simply being last week's weekly candle closed below the low of that prior week's candle. So I believe that this week's candle is going to expand to the downside, which it already has. All right. Let's take a look at the daily here. All right. So this is today's candle. Today's candle closed at 111.59. All right. And Friday's candle, the low is 111.58. So, and also the low for today's candle was 111.30. Okay. So today's candle swept Friday's low and closed above the low. So therefore, I think that Tuesday's candle is going to expand upward. All right. And I'm also looking for an algorithmic target of 116.28. Okay. Maybe then from there, we'll probably actually be headed up to this volume imbalance right here. Let me just set this up for you guys. All right. We have a volume imbalance starting at 119.17, ending at 122.59. So it's very possible that we maybe come up into there. Let's just take a look at the dealing range here on the daily. Let's start that at right there. All right, this is the current dealing range. All right, this is where we first initially swept buy side, and this is our lowest point here, which is also a swing low. All right, and we see that this daily volume imbalance is actually not in premium. Okay, So let's look at some PD arrays that are in premium. All right. One thing that immediately jumps out to me is this volume imbalance right here on the daily, as well as um, this overlapping fair value gap here. Then we actually have, excuse me, um, a higher FVG here in premium as well that the market could pull up to and kind of give us some type of a OTE entry. Okay, so that is if this dealing range that starts at 140 spot 76 ending at 106 spot 30 holds, then we're looking for some type of premium entry above the 50%. And I'm thinking um, we may come into that daily volume imbalance or that fair value gap, or the higher fair value gap would be a better play, especially if you're doing options, or yeah, if you're doing options, you may want to look for a strike around this fair value gap. Okay, and then from there, we could possibly see it play out down to $90 or lower. So that is my technical thoughts on NVIDIA. Let's see how it plays out. I could be wrong. I could be right. They could stall it out over the coming days and weeks and maybe months. But I do believe that NVIDIA has every reason to get down to at least $90. All right. All right, that is my thought on that. And also, if you guys are long-term investing in this company, you don't want to try to time a bottom. Just dollar cost average on your bearish days slash your bearish weeks, and that way you don't have to worry about trying to time the market. You just get in, and if you believe in this company, you believe that this company will um, continue to grow its stock price, then again, dollar cost average on your bearish weeks slash your bearish days. So, all right, guys, that's going to be it. Great health and wealth to you guys, and safe trading and investing. Talk to you later. Bye.